Steady, got it, good. Oh my goodness, look at this. The entire tech mafia meetup. Who do we have here? It's Big Dom. There he is. We got Judner too. You're not so average consumer.
Oh God.
Sensitive, the only Mr. Linus Tech Tips. Oh my. Could be worse. We got Mr. Austin Evans. I don't really know what to say about Austin. Linus, why don't you say something about Austin?
Hey guys. No.
We got Mr. Who's the Boss over here. What do you got? You got something to drink or something going on there? Well done. Over here we have Marques. Here's the reason. Here's what we're doing. Today, we're gonna find out once and for all which smartphone is in the pocket of each of these very important individuals. So we're gonna start with Dom. Which smartphone is in your pocket right now?
Do I reveal it right now or? Got the iPhone 10.
Oh, there it is.
There it is. Sometimes it's hard to break away from that ecosystem.
What is it about this ecosystem you're talking about?
More specifically, just iMessage, I guess.
I've heard this argument. I truly don't understand it. What is it? Is this a green bubble, blue bubble type of prejudice going on here?
It's a green bubble, blue bubble war.
What do you think about Face ID though?
It works for me, though it's really iffy with sunglasses sometimes.
Right.
There's no reason or rhyme for it. It's just no reason or rhyme for it. It's just weird. I hear Austin just cracking up back.
Everyone over there is giggling and covering their mouths. What happened? What's going on? No, for f***'s sake. Okay, let's give a laugh to Austin because obviously he wants the attention here.
I was about to do a hilarious joke about how I love rechargeable batteries. It's not really funny.
All right, iPhone 10, why? Why is that your choice?
I love the hardware on this phone. The speakers are great, the camera's great. I legitimately really do enjoy Face ID. This is like the best hardware I've ever tried on a smartphone. Like, I love the Pixel 2, but I'm excited, okay?
Hey man, this is your moment. Like, I'm not gonna interrupt you. You make your case, brother.
The notch doesn't bother me. There's so little that I don't like about this phone.
Do you consider yourself to just be an iOS guy? Like, it's gonna be hard to break away from? That's not it. So what was the last Android device you used extensively?
That is like my main phone?
Yeah. Okay, so there's your answer. There's your answer. All right, moving on. Who wants to be next? Thrown in the fire, into the flames of the tech world. It's Linus Tech Tips.
Hi.
How many videos did you make at CES?
45.
45 videos. Round of applause, everybody. Who is this man? And what is he made of? Which smartphone is in your pocket and why?
So I'm on the Pixel 2 XL. My Galaxy S8, something I have installed on it is making the battery drain really fast. I haven't had the time to deal with it.
Are you trying to say you preferred it? Is that?
On my trip, I actually have 5 phones with me. I can give you the reasons for all of them. This one I'm on because I popped the SIM out of the Mate 10 Pro. There was some software that wasn't installed on it I needed to use, so I put my SIM in here.
You sound like the most reluctant Pixel user I've ever heard in my life.
It's okay.
Oh, so you're not a big fan of it?
Yeah,
Round of applause.
It's good, it's really good. I love the... I haven't used a phone for longer than a month at a time in over half a year. Part of my deal is I switched. The 8, I was using the 8 Plus, the Pixel 2, not the XL. This was the last one I was on before I switched to the Razr phone, which I frankly didn't like that much. So the SIM went back in this one.
If you could put any one of them in your pocket, not the most convenient at that moment, which one would it be?
I'm really happy with this one.
Okay, so it is this one.
Sort of. Look at these hands. I can't handle this much phone. So really what I want is the S8 back, but with not my battery issues.
How about this in the form factor of just the Pixel 2?
Yeah, that'd be fine too. I like this watch better than I like my phone.
Who wants to be fed to the lions next? If we're talking Pixel, then we're talking me, a Pixel 2 XL. And if you guys have been following me in this recent trip, how about this view? I've taken pictures of this view, and I truly believe this is the best camera on a smartphone right now, period. I have not taken a bad picture with this phone. Plus, I like stock Android and all the usual things that you know about. This is in my pocket for now. There's no lies here. It either is or it isn't. All right, who's next? Judner, you're next, man. The pressure's on.
iPhone 10.
Wow, it's just 2 phones so far.
I'm gonna be straight up. It's iMessage, man, in the ecosystem.
Whoa.
That's what it is for me.
I don't even know what this means, this iMessage thing.
It's not about the blue and green
Okay,
bubbles.
what is it about?
I'm always on my computer, always on the phone. Somebody hits me up. Usually it's a family member who's also on iMessage. I get it wherever I am. I mean, you could do the whole Hangouts thing. But
Or,
I don't
or
want to.
some other messenger. You know, a lot of the world they use WhatsApp, for example.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
I've got that comment a lot.
Yeah.
But it's like, okay, I gotta tell you, go download something.
What would it take for you to switch over?
iMessage on Android. Honestly,
I mean, that's not gonna happen, obviously, but.
yeah.
What are we sitting at right now? 3-2. Oh, can't wait. A hotly anticipated take from the man himself, MKBHD. What did you have? You had smartphone awards, the best phone, the best this, the best that. It was a lot of bests. But I think what the people really want to know is what's in the pocket. What's in the pocket and why?
Which pocket, first of all, because I do carry.
Oh, firing back. Right now you have 2 phones?
Yes, main SIM card, the number you have, this phone number, Pixel 2 XL, naked Pixel 2 XL, Panda, the colored power button, stock Android, great camera, all the same reasons you said. Fingerprint reader is in a good spot. I have big hands, so I couldn't even use the smaller version of this phone. I'm
Right.
a big phone person. If there's an XL, that's where I'm going. But the other pocket, I do carry an iPhone.
Oh, can you
Usually-
believe this? Are you running for president next?
There are things that just work better on iOS. I use the best iPhone I can. I use my favorite Android phone.
Wow. This diplomat right here came prepared. Pick a damn phone right now. If you had to drop one, is that it?
I'm dropping the iPhone.
Yes! There it is. There it is. No cop-outs in here. No cop-outs in here. I don't like this whispering. Collusion. Just 2 phones in the whole room. What are we sitting at now? 3-3. Tiebreaker happening now. Mr. Who's the Boss? What's happening? So no preamble, no banter.
I came from the Note 8. I couldn't stand it because of the battery. The Pixel 2, the battery's great. The screen is not fantastic, but you kind of get used to it. Show someone a meme, they might comment on the slight blueness, but it's not terrible. The Pixel's better in every way.
4.3 Pixel 2 XL to iPhone 10. I gotta be honest, I'm a little disappointed that it broke down that simply. There's a lot of amazing phones out there. Maybe this says something about us. Maybe we're a little too predictable. Maybe we need to get out there a little more often. I'm not really sure. This has been incredible. This is unprecedented. I don't know, maybe you wanna see something like this next year, you people there in the audience. If you do, I think you know what to do. You use your thumb to let Jack know that that's the case. I wanna say thank you to everybody that's been in this video. I hope to do it again. That is the smartphone that's in their pocket. No lies, it's the real deal. Here in Las Vegas, CES 2018. Yes!
No, it's good. It's good. It's really good. I love it.